Hey, welcome back. I'm sure by now you know I go to garage sales all the time and buy old tools. These tools have been soaking for at least 18 months, basically 30 weight oil. Before I put them in there, I wire wheeled them as best I could, but they were all so rusted, they were frozen at the hinge joint and wouldn't move. So after soaking for 18 months, now they work great. So I'm going to clean them up, I'm going to wire wheel them nice one more time, and then I'm going to Plastidip them. A lot of people, when they come over to my house, ask me why I have two wire wheels. The answer is the one on the yellow grinder is thick, and I use that for doing big jobs where I have to push really hard and remove a lot. The one on the red grinder is very narrow and thin, and I use that for sneaking into hard to reach places where the big wheel can't fit. So the two kind of work hand in hand. The last time I did this, the lesson I learned was to buy two cans. The reason for that is that once the level gets about halfway down the can, you can't achieve a dip deep enough because you have to do this more than once. So I bought two cans, and every time the first can started getting low, I would top it off with the second can. And I dipped over 15 tools 3 times in this video, and they all came out great. Don't worry too much if you scrape the edge when you pull the piece out or whatnot. They look really blotchy when you pull them out, but once they dry, you can see that they smooth up every time, and they look really nice after every coat once they dry. So no matter what you try to do, you're going to get a buildup of gunk at the bottom of whatever's hanging. I'm going to show you my method for dealing with that. So I use a utility knife or clippers depending on what's going on, and I remove the bulk of the excess. Then I go over to the bench grinder and I use the wire wheel to kind of shape it, and then I use the buffing wheel to kind of make it look nice. You'll see. You can see how I'm using the wire wheel to really sculpt and make a nice rounded end, and then I'm using the buffing wheel to just kind of smooth it, because the buffing really is just really a fine grit sander. It looks pretty good. After 3 coats, my budget was shot. This was the end result. In all, I did 17 tools, and I'm pretty pleased with the end result. Thanks for watching.